Tulsa Police helicopter harassment right there. Using his electromagnetic radiation weapons on me because I'm locked at home. There he is. That's a Tulsa Police helicopter. It's gang stalking, illegal covert harassment. If you're a victim of this type of abuse, document every occurrence you can to hold these perpetrators accountable in a court of law someday. These are the criminals. They did that in Nazi Germany, and they're doing it today. Yes, the Holocaust happened to people just like you and I. History has a strange way of repeating itself. Don't stay silent. Document and expose these law-breaking criminals for what they're doing. This is illegal covert harassment done to targeted individuals all around the world. It's not an isolated case. It goes on and on and on all the time. They're breaking the law in the guise of upholding the law and protecting citizens. They're not. They harass and intimidate and use electronic weapons on us covertly. Tulsa, Oklahoma Police Department helicopter. There you have it. A covert, illegal gang stalking harasser, a perpetrator. Illegal surveillance, illegal stalking, and illegal intimidation, constantly, ongoing, for over 2 years now. That's a criminal in the sky flying the police helicopter. And he is the criminal, covertly. If you're a victim of this abuse, do not just let it happen. Document and expose, so that others going through the same thing can know that they are not alone. And that someday, we will hold them accountable in the court of law for what they're doing, their malicious, illegal, covert harassment and electromagnetic warfare on us. Yep, there he is. Oh, now it looks like he's going away because he probably saw me. They got the heat tracking device. Yeah, he don't like to be exposed, that's for sure. Criminals in the sky over Tulsa. Yep. I'm at home right now. I kept hearing him flying over the house. I'm like, what the hell? It's got to be past 10:30. I don't know what time it is. Oh, there he comes back. You hear that noise? Yep. Covert stalking, gang stalking in the sky by the Tulsa Police helicopter. He's a crook flying the police helicopter. A covert harasser that's constantly doing this. Wherever I go in the city, my home, tonight, I'm going to expose them every chance I get. I will yell it from the rooftops. He is the criminal. Criminal covert harassment. Yep. Do not be afraid. Do not be intimidated. If you're not doing anything wrong and they're doing this to you, document, upload it to YouTube, tell everyone you know. It is being done covertly, illegally. Yep. The very ones we trust to uphold our constitutional rights and to protect us are the very ones sometimes that are abusing their powers. They're douchebags. He needs to turn in his badge, stop being a hypocrite. He took an oath to uphold the Constitution, not to harass civilians. Yep. He has to have integrity to say no to whoever's telling him to do it. And perhaps there's nobody telling him to do it. Perhaps he's just got a hard on for me. I don't know. All I know is he does it all the time. It's covertly harassing me wherever I go in the city. Constantly. It's Tuesday night. What the heck? It could be like 1 mile, 2 miles, 3 miles from my home, right there all the time. Wherever I go. Yeah, it's not just a coincidence he happens to find me. Nope, he's doing this intentionally. Look at that. Flying back and forth. He's not doing anything. He's not doing anything but wasting taxpayers' dollars. Pathetic piece of shit. He needs to give up his badge. If he wants to harass people, don't wear a uniform and don't wear a police badge. You don't have the integrity it takes to be a police officer. You douchebag. Piece of shit. Look at you. Yep. Now I've got to leave my house because my sister has to work tomorrow morning and his ass is flying over the house and it's going to make her up. He does this all the time. That's why I have to leave. Yep. He's right there going right over the house. It's his ass. It's this little douchebag. I'll flip him off. Give him the fucking finger. Yeah. Douchebag motherfucker. Piece of shit. Yep. I got 6 minutes of video, but he's been doing it for a long time, like 16 minutes. And he's gone now. Yeah, when I stepped out of the carport with my finger raised to him saying hello with my middle finger, douchebag, hello, you criminal, you covert harasser, you hypocrite, you piece of shit, you criminal wearing a badge, flying a police helicopter. Go fuck yourself. Excuse my language, folks.